This video will take a look at two special types of matrices, the identity and the inverse matrix. Let's start with the identity matrix. The identity matrix is a matrix with ones down the main diagonal and zeros everywhere else. The identity matrix is abbreviated by capital I, and you see this first identity matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is the order. Remember, the order is the number of rows going across by the number of columns going down. And down the diagonal, we have ones. Elsewhere, we have zeros. This other matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. It has 3 rows going across and 3 columns going down. Down the main diagonal, we have ones, and elsewhere there are zeros. So that's a look at what an identity matrix is. A matrix that has 1 down the diagonal and 0 everywhere else. And notice these are square matrices. Another special type of matrix is called an inverse matrix. It is denoted by a capital letter with a -1 after it. So this notation here would mean that we're taking the inverse of matrix A. Now with this matrix, if we multiply it by the original matrix, then we get the identity matrix. And it doesn't matter if it's in the front or behind the original matrix. In the multiplication, you still get the identity matrix. So I'm going to show you how to find the inverse of a matrix using the calculator. In this first example, we have a matrix A containing 1, -3, -2, and 7. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2. We'll find the inverse using the calculator. Now to enter in the matrix, press second, matrix. Then we need to go to the right to edit. So hit the arrow to the right 2 times, and then choose matrix A. Now the matrix that we have is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a matrix that I had in the calculator before. So what I'll do is just type over what I have. First we need to enter the order 2 by 2. So press 2, enter, 2, enter. Notice that it changes the size. And then we'll enter in the numbers that we have here. 1, -3, -2, and 7. Now, this will store the matrix in the calculator. Press second, mode. Now, here's how we find the inverse in the calculator. Press second, matrix. Call up the name A by pressing enter. Now press the inverse key, X to the -1, and then press enter. So the inverse of our matrix is 7, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll calculate the inverse of our second matrix, and this matrix is a 3 by 3. Now first we'll enter in our matrix, second matrix. Press to the right to edit, and then press enter to choose matrix A. Now the order is a 3 by 3. We'll type that in. And then I'll type over the numbers that I have in this matrix in the calculator. We have a 1, a 2, 1, -2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So we have matrix A entered for this problem. Press second, quit. Now we're ready to calculate the inverse. Press second, matrix. Call up the name A by pressing enter. And then hit the key X to the -1. Press enter. And this is our new matrix. This is the inverse.